Hey, what's up, everybody?
What's going on?
This is Tony.
And I'm Jenny.
And we are Lido Loca, and it's Mail Monday.
Mail Monday.
Mail Monday. Welcome back to another episode of Mail Monday. It's a Mother's Day edition.
Yeah.
We just celebrated Mother's Day yesterday, and so before we get too far into the Mail Monday, I just want to say a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and a happy Mother's Day to you, Jenny.
Why, thank you.
Did you have a great Mother's Day?
It was wonderful.
It was awesome because now, since we've moved to Florida, you were able to see your mother.
Yeah.
The first time in 18 years.
18 years.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it was.
Even in these challenging
Can't
situations.
even touch her, but that was good.
Now we had a little outdoor coffee, fully protected, socially distant, but it was good to see your mom.
It absolutely was.
And my mom's doing good.
She is doing wonderful.
We are very fortunate and blessed to still have our mothers to be able to converse with on Mother's Day. I know that's not the case for everybody, and so lots of love going out for people that had good days on Mother's Day and people that had challenging days for Mother's Day. But yeah, Mother's Day 2020.
Yeah.
The COVID edition. It's crazy, right?
It is.
But it is Mail Monday, and the way it works is if you send us mail, we'll read it. We'll read your mail. I love saying that out loud. It seems...
We'll read your mail.
It seems wrong.
Why?
Well, because you're not supposed to read people's mail.
Oh.
I think it's against the law. But I guess that's if you get it.
It's addressed to us, so.
Okay, so it's our mail.
Right.
You send us something, we'll read it. Today we've got, I think, one envelope and several boxes.
Very cool.
And the address is in the description. If you want us to read your mail, you feel free to send it. We'll pick it up. We'll read it. Let's get into it. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Jenny?
Let's do it.
All right. First up, we have this letter here. And this comes from Linda in Arizona. I'd totally share my toilet paper with you. How cool is that? I would totally share my toilet paper with you. Very cool. I like that. Wishing much happiness today and always. Hope you guys are doing well. I love your vlogs and can't wait to get on a cruise ship again. Sincerely, Linda. That's super cool.
It is.
Do you think she made that card?
Oh, absolutely. Look how cool that is.
I'd share my
All the
toilet paper with
cutouts
you.
and yeah, I like how it's doubled and it's a nice card.
Oh, this one is a special Mother's Day treat. It comes from our daughter, Danielle, in Tennessee. It is addressed to you, Jenny. You know what? Not too many people wished me Happy Mother's Day yesterday.
No, because you're not a mother.
Maybe I'm
Or are
unfamiliar.
you?
I've been called a mother more than once in my life. It's usually followed with some other verb.
What?
Oh, wow. Look at this already. How about that? There's like stuff in the box is all tweaked out.
Oh, that is interesting. Let's
I wonder
check
if those
this
are.
out.
I guess that's your box to be checking out. How about that?
Says travel moments to remember. Focus on the good with a cup of coffee and love.
Aw.
Oh, and look, this was painted.
Oh yeah, it's like a stencil.
Yeah, she painted it and stenciled it. Aw. Dream come true. And then when you open the other part, it says family.
She's crafty.
Aw, she is.
How about that? She made this pink paper.
She did. What's going on?
Oh, something's happening.
Oh, I wonder if she had to have made these. It's a sailboat.
Very nice.
Another sailboat. Drive. What is that called?
It's a wheel.
A wheel.
The ship's
and then
wheel.
the anchors.
Anchors.
Oh, look. And it says homemade by Danielle.
Aw.
Homemade by Danielle.
Look at that. It says homemade by Danielle. That's cute.
That is cute. Let's see what's in here. Oh. If I know what love is because of you. And that's like a picture of her and I.
Aw, how sweet is that? Look at that.
I remember that day. She was like in first or second grade, and I had taken her on like a field trip.
That is so cool.
Oh, it's beautiful. Then this says homemade by Danielle. Aww. It says mom, a daughter's first best friend.
Aw.
Oh, how sweet. Oh, Danielle, thank you. What a beautiful Mother's Day gift. Homemade by your little hands.
Wow, Danielle. What? Hold on, let me look. Let's see.
What are you looking for, baby?
Yeah, so Father's Day is June the 21st, 2020. I'm just throwing that out there. Wow. Okay, that's hard to follow, but we have this box from Amazon.
From Amazon.
This comes from Mary Faith.
Oh,
and
Mary
here's
Faith.
a little
I love
note.
her. I just wanted you to have something to say thank you for all you've done, and I heard on the show you were looking for this. I hope it's the right one. Enjoy. Thanks for everything, Mary Faith.
Oh, Jenny. Oh, Jenny.
Oh, my goodness.
There you go.
I love this stuff.
Now, what exactly? Now, I've heard you talk about Ginate quite a bit.
Mary Faith, this is so sweet of you.
What is what do you do with the Ginate?
So when you get, and especially in Florida, right? Well, like when you get out of the shower in the summer, it's so hot. I'm so emotional today.
It's the Mother's Day edition, of course.
And so, like when you get out of the shower, it's super hot and humid, but you put this on, and it just has a beautiful smell, and it cools you off. And then when you go outside and you sweat, this actually is the smell that you'll smell because it's like in your body, you know, on your skin. But I just love it because it's so fresh and floral. Oh, smell that.
Oh, it smells citrusy.
Oh, I just love it.
Is this what you're going to smell like from now on?
Yeah, because it's coming summertime.
Thank you, Mary Faith.
I know.
I'm good with that. This is heavy, too. Was there an ooh la la in their commercial?
I think so.
Ginate, ooh la la.
Mary Faith, that is so sweet of you. Thank you.
Super cool. We have this package from Dana Statham. This came in USPS.
Dana, how are you?
Yeah, so first out of the box from Dana is this, I think it's a, you know what? It's a straw. How cool is that?
That is very cool. Oh, look, and it has the cleaner, too.
It's a silicone straw. Oh, this is cool. And it's, I don't want to take it all the way out, but let me show you guys over here. This is pretty neat. So you got this straw, this cleaner, and the straw, and it all fits in this deal here. Wow, this is great. And it's got a carabiner. You can
That's
attach that on
perfect.
there. Well, I like this fill. It's like honeycomb. That's the word I was looking
cool. See, so much better than all of those popcorns that they wasted all the years.
Definitely better than the popcorns.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. This is perfect for you, Jenny.
Why?
Because it says, I'm sorry, did I just roll my eyes out loud? I'm sorry. Put that up there with you. I believe that's for you.
Do you think?
Yes, that's awesome.
Dana, thank
Very
you.
cool. It matches the color
Matches the color.
with the straw.
Thank you, Dana.
Very cool.
So sweet.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry. Did I just roll my eyes out loud? Thanks, Dana.
Thanks, Dana. We have this box from Amazon. This one's for you.
Hi, Jenny. Enjoy your gift. You'll probably get too many of these, but it is the thought that counts. Dan Johnson.
Thank you, Dan Johnson.
Thank you, Dan. You can never have enough Ginate.
Because you've had trouble finding Gina.
I have. Oh, Dan. Thank you. Do you want to smell it again?
Is it the same flavor?
Yes.
Is Gina
Ginate.
just one flavor?
Absolutely.
Gina originally. Of course, let's smell it again.
Absolutely.
Gina. If you need help with application. Thank you, Dan. That's an awesome gift.
Yes, Dan. Thank you so much.
And then this is from the Milkinsons.
Where are they, in Norway?
Bodo, Norway.
Norway.
Bodo. This is from Gare and Robin, and they have a YouTube channel called MidLife Cruisers. It's very European, so they cruise out of Europe, and so if you're looking for a different perspective, or if you want to see what cruise, if you're in Europe, go check them out. I'll leave a link in the description to their YouTube channel. They always send us some interesting stuff. Wow. We have a note.
Good day, Tony and Jenny. We thought we would send you a little package to help lift your spirits in this time of social distancing. Thank you. We are all experiencing now. Since cruising is at standstill, we thought we would help inspire you in planning of future travel and cruising once things around the world return to some degree of normalcy. We have included a travel book of beautiful Italy. Mm-hmm. We hope that it will come in handy one day. Us too. Thank you. A few months back, Tony mentioned he wanted to visit the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Wow, people listen to you.
Let that be a lesson.
Yes. I hope this puzzle can tide you over until you have the opportunity to see it with your own two eyes. We also have included some what is that?
Limoncello?
Candies, yes, to give you just a little taste of Italy. How sweet. You will also find enclosed the package of good, strong Norwegian coffee. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, so our friends from Norway.
Well, just because.
Yeah, our friends from Norway they've sent us a little Italian care package. These are the limoncello candies. Man, they look like big lemon drops. Do you love lemon heads, lemon drops? They're
Not
hard on
so
the
much.
teeth a little
bit. And they're a little too sour for me.
Ooh, I like it sour. Look at this. Lonely Planet's Best of Italy. The top sites and authentic experiences.
I love that.
Let's go to Italy.
This is going to come in a lot of handy.
We got to learn about Italy.
We do.
Oh, I'm definitely making this. The Leaning Tower. Definitely making this the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's a 3-dimensional puzzle.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Takes 15 to 30 minutes to complete. Leave a comment if you want to see me build this live. I'm doing it live.
You aren't going to do it live.
And Hjelsberg? I don't know. I love when they send me stuff because I have to try to see if I can. Hjelsberg.
And they're so sweet, right? Because they'll
tell me.
Yeah, they'll tell you.
And I'm excited about it because I want to say it right. Very nice. I can't wait to try this.
It's going to be delicious in our new coffee maker.
Arabica beans.
Robin and Gear, thank you so much. Again, the MidLife Cruises, go check them out because they have a different, like you said, the European flair.
It's definitely a different vibe.
Yeah.
And I like it. And then we have one
last. Well, and it's good, right? For when we go over, like when us North Americans go over to Europe to cruise, at least we kind of have a different perspective.
I tell you what, we haven't really prioritized Europe because we just always thought that Europe was there. And now that you can see that things can abruptly change, we got to prioritize Europe.
Absolutely.
100%. And then the last one, it came from Amazon, but it wasn't in an Amazon box. It was like you could tell right away what it is.
Right.
So I just want to say this was from Billy Sparks. And Billy, thank you so much for this kind gift and the note. Tony, your videos have brought me so much pleasure during the pandemic. I wanted to get you something also a man has to have as hobbies, and us men have to stick together. Billy, this gift is too much, and I certainly appreciate it.
And Billy, you just wait until we get on that cruise in October.
This is the Lego set that I was talking about, probably on one of our live feeds. Billy picked up on it, and he sent me this, and this is very generous and very kind.
Very.
And I thank you so much. I feel embarrassed sometimes because we're always trying to talk about different things to keep the conversation going, and it's not necessarily so people send us stuff, and so I'm grateful and a little embarrassed at the same time. But thank you so much. I definitely will build this and have a lot of pleasure with it. So that's very cool.
That's very kind.
Very kind.
See, now my only thing with Billy is that he told me that it was going to be a costume for you to roll down the corridor on the breeze in October.
Yeah, so we're going on a huge, another thing I just mentioned in passing that seems to have its own life now is on a live stream. I said one of the things that I want to do on our group cruise in October is just to log roll down the Grand Promenade.
Yeah.
I think I was kidding, Jenny, but maybe
I think you're going to have to do it now.
I have to do it. Might get up close and personal with security. Well, guys, thank you so much for sending us the mail. We love having this connection point. Love getting stuff from where you're at. Love the homemade stuff that you make. And your generosity is too much.
Absolutely.
And we appreciate it. And we love making the stuff that we do for you guys. And when you send those notes to say you like the stuff that we make, it really means a lot. So, and Danielle, what a great gift. Of course, you made your mother cry, which is good. It's Mother's Day.
Right.
And so thank you, Danielle. We love you very much.
We love you, Danielle. Thank you.
All right, guys. Address is in the description. If you want us to open your mail, if you want us to read something about where you're from or just share a memory, we'd be happy to do it. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name's Tony.
And I'm Jenny.
And we are Lido Loca. And until the next time,
We'll see you on the Lido.
we'll see you on the Lido.
Bye.
Bye.